5 p.m. for south central Warwick and southwestern Spencer counties. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eureka, or 7 miles west of Rockport, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockport and Eureka. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Spencer, and Warwick.